from the AC compressor. But it's not engaged. Water pump? No, it doesn't sound like. So let's try to turn the AC on, or give it a gas. So it goes harder. Let's try the steering pump. So it doesn't really change. Or we go turn the other way, and the RPMs are not that high. So when I turn the AC on, but last time it just stopped when I turned the AC on. Doesn't seem to affect it in any way at the moment. Sounds pretty horrible. And if I kill it, it might stop and don't come back. So now it's gone. And it's not there anymore. And I can start it like 10 times and it won't be there. So if you guys can help me, that will be great.